Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we are looking at the Euro Japanese yen with extreme interest in the sense that we like to buy call options here with end of week expiration date. The reason for that is that, like we mentioned earlier, the first wave extension is completed. What does it mean, a first wave extension? It means that price basically moving from this moment of time, from these lows. I would say that these are the lows from the previous wave, here in the form of a flat, so this to be A, B, and the flat with a C wave failure, and then exploding higher like it is typical for such a situation. So from this moment of time on the 4-hour chart, and even visible on the 1-hour chart, we have a first wave extension that ended with these highs here. So that would be a first wave. Now we are looking in the end to have a 5-way structure to come, but this 5-way structure need to go, so this 5-way structure need to go with a first wave extension for wave 1. What does it mean? It means that the second wave to come should be more complex, but let's say more than a simple zigzag or something like this. Most likely a double or triple combination in the form of an X wave to the upside. So with the X wave, so we're looking now for 3 waves to come with the X wave to come in a 3 waves move, but to make a new high here, and this to be the X wave. What kind of an X wave? Well, the X wave of a lower degree. So I would say that this would be the first wave of our impulsive move now. Let's make it out of this color. So this would be the first wave. This to be the second wave here. 1, 2, 3. Now the third wave here needs to be more than 161.8 when compared with the previous first wave, and it is. Then the fourth wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the fifth wave to the upside. There is a strong tendency in such a situation that the second wave here of this degree would be the most time consuming. It is. Then the third wave should be 61.8 when compared with the previous first wave. It is. Then the fifth wave to be 38.2 when compared with the previous wave. It is. So all in all, we're looking at a nice situation here for our analysis. And the move to the downside here will be only an ABC, I would say an ABC out of this degree, and only the first correction, not a second wave there, but only the first correction. So this to be either an ABC or only a wave A out of this degree. What we're looking now definitely would look for a move to the upside that should break these highs, and these highs are in the 140.30. Don't be so panicked regarding the recent moves in the euro-related pairs, because the trading week is just at the middle of the trading week. We still have Miss Yellen to speak. We still have some fundamental and economic data to be released, and it remains to be seen. What I'm looking for now to the upside is either an X wave or a B wave. It doesn't really matter because we're trading binary options here. So either an X wave or a B wave, it doesn't matter. Looking for these highs to be taken in a corrective move. So basically this X wave to be something like this, A, B, C, in the form of an X wave. So either with the X wave or the B wave, it again doesn't matter. Thank you very much for being here. Keep in mind that this is fairbinaryoptions.com. We're looking for a second wave in the end to come. Maybe the second wave is already completed here, which I don't really think so. Most likely will be done around these current levels or something like this, but after price goes that high. So our conclusion would be to buy call options right here, as you can see, 139.08. So buying call options with end of week expiration date. That would be actually Friday 21 GMT, and usually that is an expiration date that is offered by the majority of brokers, and we are trading with Lion Knife here, but normally any broker that is a serious broker on the binary option arena should offer you this expiration date. Again, thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses are possible due to our sponsor here, Lion Knife. Bye bye.